Hello friends, I am Dr. Komal Bansal from International Institute for Spoken English and HOD of OET department. तो आज मैं आपको एक वीडियो प्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ रिगार्डिंग द OET, स्पेशली उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जिन्होंने OET नाम तो सुना है बट एक्चुअली उन्हें नहीं पता होता कि OET एग्जाम में होता क्या है. दे आर न्यू टू दिस थिंग. So I will guide you what exactly modules and the types of questions comes into the OET exam. So before that, kindly like and subscribe this video. Thank you. Alright, now as you can see, I have written occupational English test. Occupational, why we are specifying it for the occupational? Because OET is meant for medical professionals only. It is called medical professions. And in medical professions, it includes nurses, doctors for medicines, physiotherapists, ophthalmologists, and all the other pharmacists. Even your pharmacists are also there in this profession. They can attempt the OET exam, and after attempting this exam, they can work in the foreign country of their own profession. This is the most important benefit of the OET exam, that अगर आप अपनी ही फील्ड में जॉब करना चाहते हैं, so this exam is the best for you. Right now, OET is valid in Australia, New Zealand, and UK. And let me tell you, this time UK is providing you the very bright chances for accommodating. Now UK are giving good visas, good number of visas they are issuing specially for the nurses. So coming back to the OET exam, that is occupational English test. Just like IELTS exam, you have 4 modules: listening, reading, writing and speaking. But what is the difference in the IELTS and the OET modules is that इन IELTS आपको जनरली कोई भी टॉपिक पे लिसनिंग, रीडिंग या राइटिंग, स्पीकिंग आ सकता है. इट कैन बी ऑफ एनी टॉपिक. बट इन OET आपके टॉपिक्स सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेडिकल लाइन से रिलेटेड होंगे. योर टॉपिक्स, even your writing, letter, everything will be related to your medical line. You will not get any general topic like pollution, environment or global issues. These will not be there in the OET. In this, your medical conditions related to ortho, related to eyes, ears, these kind of problems will come in the OET exam. So now, in listening, it comes in 3 parts. That is your A, B and C. Okay. In A part, you will get 2 extracts. Extract means you will get a part of conversation, and this conversation will be between the doctor and the patient. So definitely what they would be conversing with each other, it would be of medical problem only. They will be talking to each other regarding some concern of the patient. So in this you will get the 24 questions in the form of fill in the blanks. And the rest of the 2 parts, that is your B and C, they will be in the form of MCQ. In B part, there will be 6 questions, 1 paragraph, 1 question, next paragraph, next question, and this like 6 paragraphs and 6 questions related to it. In C, you will get 2 different paragraphs and 7 questions from each paragraph. But the type of all the questions will remain the same, that is your MCQ. You will be given 3 to 4 options and you need to choose your correct answer. The next is the reading part. In reading, it also comes in 3 parts with total 42 questions. Here, what is the thing? In part A of reading, you will get 15 minutes. After this 15 minutes, part A will be taken from you. It will not remain with you. The part A will be taken from you, and then part B and C will be handed over to you. In B and C, again the format is MCQ only. Easy. It's just like MCQ. You would be given 3-4 options and you need to choose one correct answer. Then comes the writing part. In writing, you are supposed to write a letter, just a letter, and that too into 180 to 200 words, not more than that. Now, what you are supposed to write in this letter? Do you need to use your knowledge? Not at all. Everything will be given to you in the note form. Okay? You just need to make the sentences and compile it in the form of a letter. You need to take information from that note form and you just need to make sentence and make it in a letter form. That's it. So this is a thing which you are supposed to do, and for this you would be given 40 plus 5 minutes. What does 40 plus 5 minutes means? The 5 minutes they will give you to read the note content. In these 5 minutes, you cannot start writing a letter. But then you would be given 40 minutes to write the letter. Okay? Here comes the speaking part. In speaking part, you will get 2 cards. 10 minutes for each card. And it's like a role play. Like, you are given a card. Okay, you will be given according to your profession. If you are a nurse, you will be given the nurse card. If you are a doctor, you will be given a doctor card. Now, in this card, everything would be written. Like, who is the patient who is coming to you, whether he is coming to you in OPD or IPD, okay, and what he is going to ask you, and what answers or what things you are supposed to guide him. Everything will be there in your card. What you need to do is just that. The examiner who would be sitting in front of you, he will do the role play of patient and you are going to do the role play of your profession. So you two guys need to talk to each other, just like a patient nurse or a patient doctor, right? So this is the thing only that you need to do in the speaking cards. So for speaking cards, 1 minute is given to prepare it, and then 5 minutes will be there to have a conversation with the patient, or you could say with the examiner. So in OET speaking, examiner is not going to give you bands. He is not going to assess you on the spot, unlike the IELTS one. Here your recording will be there, your every conversation will be recorded, and it will go for the assessment. One more thing, the listening and reading part is common for all the professions. Whether you're a doctor, you're a nurse, physiotherapist, pharmacist, or anyone, it's common for all the professions. But writing and speaking differs profession to profession. The note content which would be there, you are supposed to write a letter only, but the note content will be different according to a doctor letter, and it will be different according to a nurse letter. And the same thing with the speaking cards. If you are a nurse, you would be given the card of the nurse role play, but if you are a doctor, so you would be given the card of a doctor role play. So this is the basic concept of the OET, and I'm into this field from the last 10 years. So if you are looking for the best coaching, and one more thing I would like to share, even if you are looking for the online coaching, that is also we are providing. So kindly contact us on the given numbers on your screen. Thank you.